Smiler makes the sun rise. You make it shine.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick cleaning video for you guys. I'm just pretty much tidying up my house, nothing too extreme. I'm vacuuming, cleaning up toys, cleaning the kitchen, things like that. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that it has been a while since I have posted a video. If you guys are following along, you know that I just had a baby 2 months ago. He just turned 2 months old yesterday on Tuesday. When you're watching this, I guess 2 days ago. But yeah, if you guys are familiar, you know that I was pregnant. We didn't know the gender, so it was a little boy. His name is Eli. And you also know that we were down in Florida. So I really have not done a cleaning video in my house in months. I think like since Christmas time. So we're back in Pennsylvania and I'm going to be trying to get back into the swing of things with YouTube. I'm not going to go ahead and like say a schedule or anything. I'm just going to post right now when I can. It's hard juggling a newborn and a toddler when I'm home pretty much almost every single day without my husband. He doesn't have like a normal job. He is a professional motocross racer and we are in season right now. So he is pretty much gone like 4 days out of the week when he goes to do his training. So it's a little hard. I'm still trying to figure things out, but we are making it work. So today I'm just going to do a quick cleaning video.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it
Since I haven't posted in a while, I figured I would just kind of catch you guys up on everything. So we are back in Pennsylvania. We were in Florida. That's where I gave birth. I did a few videos while we were living in the RV, but we are also selling our house. Our house is up for sale. It's on the market. We are going to be moving to North Carolina where we are going to be building another house. There's just more opportunities for my husband down there. That's where his race team is. And we cannot stand the Pennsylvania weather anymore. We live for sunshine. We love to be outside. And realistically, Pennsylvania, you can only do that a few months out of the year. It's May. I still have my heat on. It was snowing the other day. It is just, it's not for us anymore. So we are selling this house. It is on the market and I'm so excited to start the new journey down in North Carolina. I literally cannot wait. So yeah, there only might be a few more videos of me doing some cleaning in my house. We haven't sold it yet, so hopefully within the next few months we do sell it and we can start our new adventure.
I adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster.
I am also exclusively pumping, so that takes up pretty much, I'm not even gonna lie, half of my day between sitting down, pumping, cleaning the pump, and all of that. I pump about 8 times throughout the day. I do 6 during the day and then 2 at night, and I pump for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, so it does take up a lot of my day. I actually stopped cleaning and I had to go ahead and go pump. If you guys want to see a video on my pumping schedule, I know a lot of people are like into that, let me know down below. There is a lot that goes into exclusively pumping. It is so much work. It is extremely tiring and just mentally just draining sometimes, but I've been going for 2 months now. I don't have any goals of like when I'm going to stop. I'm just taking it day by day because like I said, some days it really is mentally draining. So I'm just taking it day by day. I had a goal of doing it for 3 months, but for right now, I am just sticking to day by day. So yeah, that does take up a lot of my time as well. And that's pretty much why I haven't posted a video or anything like that, just because I'm still trying to get into the swing of things of being a mom of 2. Also, if you have been watching my channel, you know that this was a playroom and then we turned it back into a dining room. I'm not sure if we did that before or after we had the baby. I literally cannot remember, but we do have toys upstairs. We redid our basement downstairs, or we got it finished, so that's where like the big playroom is, but we don't get down there too much, so we keep all of Evelyn's favorite toys upstairs. It just makes it easier that I don't have to like drag everything downstairs. I did have an outfit change because now I'm wearing my little 2-month-old boy. He wasn't fussing or anything, but I'm trying to keep him off of the back of his head because he is starting to get a little bit flat in the back, and I know that's normal for this age because you're constantly holding them and they're laying on their back. So I was holding him in the carrier so that he was not putting any pressure on the back of his head, and he ended up falling asleep, which was really nice. And it's just nice to be able to wear him and be able to get things done. I do have the Moby wrap, if anybody was wondering.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along. Sing along.
One thing I do know when we build our next house is that I am doing the same exact sink in our kitchen because I absolutely love that sink. And at first we were looking at houses to buy, and I was getting super upset because I love that big white farm sink. But now that we are going to be building, I cannot wait to do another one. But I thought I would just mention that because that's like the #1 thing I want in the next house.
It's lightning, blowing up a thunder, watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. We got everything.
Now that we are traveling pretty much every 2 weeks throughout the summer, I am going to do some videos on kind of days in the life where I pack up the motorhome and how that looks for having 2 kids now and traveling and all of that. I also want to do more day in the lives and routines. I have a pretty good morning routine and nighttime routine down with my 2.5-year-old and my little 2-month-old. So I'm excited to start doing more videos. Make sure you guys are subscribed and your bell notification is turned on so you don't miss when I upload, since I'm not doing like a particular schedule at the moment. I used to do 2 to 3 days a week, but I just do not think I can do that right now. I'm going to shoot for 1 time a week, but we'll see if I can even do that.
Watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
I do plan on sitting down and doing my birth story. I do have a ton of footage from that day. I have a ton of like little clips that I took. I didn't necessarily vlog. I don't have any clips of me pushing or anything because me and Joel were just so excited to find out what the gender was. We didn't even think about like pulling out the camera or anything like that. So I do have a ton of footage though, and I have a pretty like fun birth story to share with you guys, so I cannot wait to go ahead and sit down, find time, and share that with you, and also just have it because I do have one on my daughter Evelyn that I'd love to go ahead and look back on. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. I will definitely tell you when that is going to be up. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and keep cleaning up the kitchen. It wasn't too messy. I've been trying to keep my house as clean as possible because we don't know. We pretty much get like either 12 to 24 hour notice when we have a showing. We've had a ton of them lately, so just trying to keep up with my house. I'm trying to keep up with my toddler. Like I said, I'm pumping, so whenever I'm pumping, I try to have her sit down and like watch a show, but other times, honestly, she just gets into the toys and rips them all out. As you guys saw earlier, I had to go ahead and clean those all up. But yeah, just gonna go ahead and continue cleaning.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really
So at this point in time, I was literally looking for the dustpan that was attached to the broom, and I had no idea. If that doesn't tell you how tired I am, I literally walked around and was looking for it, and I was so confused on where I put it, and then I walked over here, looked down, and realized that it was on the broom. So there's that. He is actually not doing too bad at nighttime. He wakes up pretty much 2 times a night, which isn't bad at all compared to my daughter Evelyn. She was a hot mess when she was a newborn. She was colic. She never slept. So I'm grateful that I do get little stretches of sleep every single night.
Won't you see what do you got? So take a chance, take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so close. What do you got? 'Cause I am golden, I'm golden.
So the last thing I'm going to do in this cleaning video is just go ahead and vacuum up the living room. We need a new vacuum so bad. I'm pretty sure throughout my entire YouTube that I've been doing this, I've gone through like 3 or 4 vacuums. I'm not sure if it's just because of all the pet hair, but we don't have the dogs inside anymore, so I need to go ahead and get a different vacuum, and not one from Walmart that's $99 because they keep breaking on me. This one barely sucks anything up. All it pretty much does is just make the carpet look like I vacuum without sucking anything up. So I definitely need a new one. I'm going to go ahead and look some up and figure out which one will work best for us. But I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. I'm happy to be back, even if it's just for a video here and there. This felt so good to do. It felt normal and it felt like me again. Sometimes in motherhood you can definitely lose yourself and just everything like that. So I'm excited to do this video and be back on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.